Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. I am shooting a video after ages and I do not have any script ready, or I am not, you can say, prepared, because all the time I was overthinking. And if you think I'm looking like there, because I'm a noob guys, and I am trying to look into the camera instead of myself up in the viewfinder. But then I'm a noob. Life update, I am not in India for now, and where I am there is 7-Eleven, and I have heard of like these outlets so many times, but now since I get to try this, I wanted to document this experience and share with you guys. I have few snacks which I got. These are from IKEA. I don't know what are these. So I got this so that after using this I can reuse these little 2 boxes for keeping salt and sugar for on the go. Let me check what is this. I just got this by looking at the box. I got one and then I was like, no, one is not enough. Let me get 3. I hope this is not a medicine and something I can snack on. I'm gonna just go open one. Okay, it came off. And this is what it looks like. It has like pills kind of thing. I think you just, it smells like concentrated lime, so I think you just put it in water, it may fizz or something, and just drink. I'm taking medicine on a Sunday morning. I don't know, the cap has something inside it. Can you hear it? I am guessing it has some kind of like silicone gel thing so that these does not catch moisture. Okay, it does not fizz for sure. I think maybe it was just like candy and not to drink. Just like a lime candy. It has the medicine feel to it. Nothing which I want to snack on when I'm craving, but then to feel healthy I can have these and then use what I bought them for. Also, let's give marking to these, so I'll give them a 3. These are medicines, not snacks, so 3. Moving forward, blueberry, strawberry and chocolate. It's a very dense strawberry smell. This comes wrapped in this cardboard and this is strawberry. As you can see, it's pink and it has like brown granules embedded inside, so I think yes, strawberry and chocolate are. It's chewy. It has like chocolate wafer inside and then coated with this strawberry and blueberry mixture. I would say 5 out of 10. This also says chocolate. This is just wafer coated with chocolate. I'm gonna try it. Good night. I really like chocolate. I woke up, I was feeling hungry, and then I thought, why not let's eat what we got and also make a video for a change. So this says ball cake, mini buns kind of thing, and this orange, it says small buns, and this says egg small buns. This is so cute. This is so cute. Can you see? I don't know. Is it able to focus? Look! So cool. So pretty. Okay, that's hair. It has very distinct flavor. Not bad. Weird for me. Very, very crunchy, like smooth crunchy. It just like melts. But it's just very dry cake. Again, I rated as 4 out of 10. Now we come to this. As you can see, this is cookies with almonds. Champion almond cookies. With packing, I would say more plastic, because one plastic, then the container is plastic, and then this whole, each cookie is wrapped in plastic. But I won't buy it for like daily eating, but then if you are like on the go, and then you can just pick one, head out. Can you see? Looks pretty, right? Let's try this. It's good. It's good for eating with like tea or coffee, like something to drink, or you can have water with it. I mean, it's really dry. I don't know. I mean, cookies are dry, but it's like really bit hard and dry, like not very soft to bite in, but tastes good. We have these chocolate cream wafers. Let's open it. Stack of wafers inside. Let's try. It's not very chocolatey. Very, very thin layer of chocolates inside. That too, it looks not dark brown but greenish. Don't know why. I'll rate it 6, I think. We have this. This has different flavors of jellies inside. Ooh, such a pretty color. Can you see? These I've had before. These are very chewy. It sticks to your teeth. But also, like, we're craving sugar instead sugar. You can try this. I think I had like sweet for the whole weekend. So this, for the first time I bought, I thought it would have something like really fancy and like stick kind and fancy to look at this. This looks like it has like a stack of cards inside. When you open this, you have these wrapped caramel candies. Nice. I feel I have had so much sugary thing in the morning. Cleaning my palette. So these, look at these colors. These I got from IKEA. Milk chocolate with hazelnut, milk chocolate, dark chocolate. As actual hazelnut. Oh no. It tastes like chocolate, but it has this raw chocolate flavor. I don't know how to describe. All of them have these leaf pattern. It is milk chocolate. Now I'm going to try dark chocolate. It looks really, really dark. Dark chocolate, bitter. So there you go, guys. I had all the stuff I tried. I got it from FamilyMart, IKEA and 7-Eleven. You can subscribe for more fun content. I don't know what kind of fun I'll be coming up with, but hopefully I'll be coming up with some videos and it would be fun to watch. So bye bye and have a nice day. Bye.